How to walk slowly in Roblox on PC without a controller. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can walk slowly in Roblox on PC without a controller. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Roblox application on your device. Or you may also go to the official website of Roblox. Once you open the Roblox application, ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now from here, choose the game that you'd like to play. Once you choose the game, inside it, click on this play button in order to enter in this game. And once you enter to this game, now here you will need to press ESC or escape key of your keyboard to open the menu. And once you open this menu, here at the top, you'll be able to see the settings icon. Simply click on the settings and from the left side, you'll be able to see movement mode. Now you will need to change this movement mode to click to move option. Simply click on this arrow and select this click to mode option. After that, you can now click on this resume option at the right bottom below in order to resume the game. Now when you right click near your character, you will be able to move it slowly. Also, some of the games allow you to walk slower by holding the shift key, which toggles between running and walking. You may also lightly tap movement keys, which is W, A, S and D for slower or precise movements. These methods depend on the game's features and settings. Also, you can check if the game has speed adjustment option in the settings or the control menu. So by following these steps, you should be able to walk slow in Roblox on PC without a controller. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.